Hi, I'm Michael and I had an incredible opportunity to work alongside the talented Sophia. We're both passionate film students at SAIT, and this past December, we were fortunate to job shadow an actual film crew on our campus. Join us as we uncover all the behind-the-scenes magic and share our exciting journey through the filmmaking process.
What's so cool here about SAIT, in my experience, is all the amazing people working together, all the different things I've gotten to learn, all the hands-on learning experience. What I think about technology moving forward, I think it's really cool and amazing to think about it, but I also think it's important to pay homage and remember the things that came before us. Like, for example, film. It's still very prominent, very modern, and some of the SAIT grads who have graduated here have gotten jobs like film loaders, ACs, just because they have that hands-on experience. And I think that's why industry people love SAIT grads, is because we get that opportunity here. I loved it a lot, and especially some of our instructors, they are world-class amazing. They are the best, and I think anyone coming here, they're gonna love them.
So the idea for this project kind of came from, we're launching a campaign in February that's really focused on real students and how enhancing who, how, and what we teach can really impact the future trajectory of students here at SAIT.
I'd say just the atmosphere of everything. Everybody's been super welcoming, open, and we've had a little bit of fun today.
When you feel the camera coming around, you'll know when I need some action. Yeah. Hold that smile. Good. Look at Jordan, see how she's doing.
It's something new. So kind of nervous, but at the same time, at least I'm enjoying. It's something that gets my mind off finals, because it's finals week. So yeah, it's been crazy, but okay.
With over 10 years of experience as a video and media production practitioner in the Philippines, I have decided to pursue further education at SAIT in Calgary. Despite my extensive background, I am committed to continuous learning and embracing new perspectives. Studying at the SAIT Film and Video Production program has provided invaluable academic and personal growth opportunities, as well as the opportunity to work with talented peers and mentors. This journey emphasizes the importance of lifelong learning and pursuing excellence in the ever-evolving field of film and video production.